all Pittsfield County until 7:45 p.m. Because it's going to take going up and down to the electronics and they cleared on it from Pittsfield County until 7:45 p.m. So take it till 5 seconds. Alright, check. Thank you, sir.
This storm right now, as you're seeing from my viewpoint, is going to be one of the worst so far for 2014, other than the ones that hit Delancey, Waynesburg, and that area. It just went pitch black here, and I think we might have a micro downburst might hit. I'm hoping not, because my house is in direct line of that crap. Matt, if I tell you to get in my truck, please. Oh.
That sky means business.
Oh yes, this is gonna be violent. It's gonna be worse than anything we've seen since 2011. They just posted another storm warning for 7:45 p.m. The last time I seen it turn this black was June 1st, 2011. I was actually trying to figure out how to work the remote control for the Challenger to get the bells and whistles to work. And I started hearing really loud thunder. I said, that's it, I'm calling it a quits. Shut down everything. I got a feeling, I think they're gonna issue a tornado warning, which I would not be surprised right now with the... Oh shit, get inside, climb in my truck, would you? Get into the truck. This is getting nasty. Holy shit. I got room for you if you want to.
Look at that fall of rain coming up.
The excavator on the loads, you might have to shove them back a little.
Yeah, I know.
If we could just get the excavator on those other loads and then keep the engine on these empties, that'd be perfect. And we might be able to do that. 0.3, sending 3 now. So long our line is locked.
Get in.
Yep. Alright, Roger, 1910 line to locked.
Grab this and don't put your hand in front of that lens. Just keep it pointed right at that storm. This is supposed to be a hill producer. That's what scares me. Holy Jesus. Rain sideways. That's not good. Is that still running?
Hell yeah.
Watch the counter on that camera. If it gets beyond 14 minutes, hit the red button. This button right here.
Yeah.
Christ, look at this, look at this. This is violent, man. I would not be surprised if this is either a derecho or micro downburst. crap. Windshield wipers might not be able to keep up with this. My God, I just lost sight of the mountains. And the transmission tower just disappeared. What's the clock reading on that?
5 minutes and 33 seconds.
Okay, keep her rolling. Just those doors stood when I told her to shut those windows. Jesus. Oh, great, we got hail. Only cracked in the windows. Nothing fogs up. There was a military train went through this morning. Jesus Christ. I'll put it plain and simple, there's no way in hell that shed's gonna get blown over in the yard.
No.
I got everything from the back porch loaded into it. Man, this must have been some serious crap coming. They had a tornado warning issued for Middlesex and Worcester counties.
Yeah.
Down east earlier, then they downgraded it to a severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah.
Which could have got me a little freaked out. The breeze feels pretty good. Just watch where your finger is, as long as that's recorded, because if you hit that silver button, you'll wind up shutting it off and taking a picture. We got a large tree across the road somewhere. You able to get it? That windshield wipers running? That's full blast.
Yeah.
Okay. This is gonna happen. On my way down here to frickin', did you see the sky to the south of the storm looked even worse?
It did.
That was, there was violence written all over that storm. We're just seeing part of it. The lightning has a tendency of striking in this general area right here, so just every once in a while pan over towards where that tower is, please.
Well, Virgin 5 to there, 287, so we had more of a tree down on the road.
Jesus. That's not good.
5. 287, 287. Your cross street timeout, 19.
287 Dewey, that's right past, almost down to the end there.
Yeah.
Speak to me, talk dirty to me, please. Gotta get to the storm that way, forgive me.
I was gonna say, I'm not your type.
Gotcha! Jesus! I know me thinking I'm sick upstairs.
PM, 7:15 PM. Top of radar and Taunton indicated severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm is located over Chester, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Take control now through thunderstorm warning. Do this every time we work together?
Well, usually you want to keep that thing pointed when you stop it. Okay, don't point it towards the ground, because I've had people tell me I was nuts.
Hey.
The storm, what's up, water?
Solar French in 3 to number 668 West Housatonic Street. Tree down on a house. Solar French in 3 to number 668 West Housatonic Street.
4 minutes.
A tree down on a house. 3 Plymouth is going to be your cross street. Timeout 1918.
Might have to remove, we might have to move to a different position.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
What?
I got water in the basement.
Oh,
At the house.
well, don't forget, you got an old basement.
Yep.
From West Street Command. West Street Command.
You got a sump pump?
West Street, either one here.
No.
Street. I just need the number. 668 West Housatonic, engine 3, you can return. Hey, keep your call.
These guys better stick clear of that damn track with that lightning.
Head over to 69 East Housatonic Street for 1051. It's going to be 210 C dispatcher K044, over.
Oh, man.
One receiver, what was that? 0.6 something Street. One at DO, and then right in one main at FC.
Who is this? It's right
40,
here.
Route 295, tree down in the roadway, and I can sort of see that there might be a need for some additional assistance out here. 19, you're signing Route 1990. Sign that item. Thank you. Thanks for coming in. Thank you.
Okay, stop her for now.